Civil Service Exam Reviewer, correct usage. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. Which sentence is correct? A. The engineers hasn't finished the report yet. B. The engineers haven't finished the report yet. C. The engineers didn't finish the report yet. D. The engineers don't finish the report yet. The correct answer is letter B. The engineers haven't finished the report yet. Engineers, plural, use have plus past participle. Which sentence uses the correct verb form? A. Neither of the proposals were accepted. B. Neither of the proposals are accepted. C. Neither of the proposals was accepted. D. Neither of the proposals been accepted. The correct answer is letter C. Neither of the proposals was accepted. Neither is treated as singular, so use was. Choose the correct sentence. A. Each contractor must submit their receipts. B. Each contractor must submit his or her receipts. C. Each contractor must submit theirs receipts. D. Each contractor must submit they receipts. The correct answer is letter B. Each contractor must submit his or her receipts. Each equals singular. Singular pronoun required. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. The project was delayed because the materials arrived lately. B. The project was delayed because the materials arrived late. C. The project was delayed because the materials arrived later. D. The project was delayed because the materials arriving late. The correct answer is letter B. The project was delayed because the materials arrived late. Late equals correct adverb of time. Lately means recently. Select the correct usage of the conditional. A. If the auditors arrived earlier, they will find the discrepancies. B. If the auditors arrive earlier, they would find the discrepancies. C. If the auditors arrived earlier, they would find the discrepancies. D. If the auditors arrives earlier, they find the discrepancies. The correct answer is letter C. If the auditors arrived earlier, they would find the discrepancies. Second conditional, past simple plus would plus base verb. Which sentence uses the passive voice correctly? A. The documents were submitted by on Friday. B. The documents were submitted from the team. C. The documents were submitted to review. D. The documents were submitted by the team. The correct answer is letter D. The documents were submitted by the team. Passive equals be plus past participle plus by plus agent. Which sentence has correct parallel structure? A. They promised checking the pipes and to fix the valves. B. They promised to check the pipes and fixing the valves. C. They promised to check the pipes and to fix the valves. D. They promised check the pipes and fix the valves. The correct answer is letter C. They promised to check the pipes and to fix the valves. Parallel structure requires the same form, to plus verb. Choose the correct preposition. A. The funds were allocated on flood control improvements. B. The funds were allocated into flood control improvements. C. The funds were allocated for flood control improvements. D. The funds were allocated about flood control improvements. The correct answer is letter C. The funds were allocated for flood control improvements. Standard collocation, allocate for purpose. Which sentence is correct? A. There were many data missing. B. There was many data missing. C. There were many pieces of data missing. D. There was many pieces of data missing. The correct answer is letter C. There were many pieces of data missing. Data is uncountable. Use pieces of data. Which sentence uses the modifier correctly? A. After reviewing, the discrepancies were obvious. B. The auditor found the discrepancies obvious. C. The discrepancies were obvious after reviewing. D. After reviewing, the documents made discrepancies obvious. The correct answer is letter B. The auditor found the discrepancies obvious. The subject doing the action, the auditor, must be clear. Avoids a dangling modifier. What is your score?